Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Please guys do subscribe and to comment below. So guys, niyakhumbula indaba kaGogo skhotheni no maweni when they were fighting on TikTok live. They even went live and exposed each other. Esayidini maweni was releasing indaba zama rape cases aga Gogo skhotheni, and esayidini Gogo skhotheni he was busy exposing umaweni edinga nabantu laba which can testify to whatever umaweni ayenzileyo. With maweni guys, it was murder cases. So guys, with all that guys, if I like yenzakala on social media, people were so surprised to see ugogo maweni lo Gogo skhotheni making peace. They even went live saying they forgave each other. Hey, wona they decided to have peace. And with that guys, it left a lot of fans with burning question with hayi kahleni kade sibhizi sithi team skhotheni team maweni jiki abantu sebayenza peace at what cost. And some even felt like ugogo skhotheni was being unfair because she brought people inside to like abantu abangama victim, like people who lost their loved ones, to speak out, and they revealed a lot of things, and she also revealed a lot of things jiki ujikela abantu, and that's what fans wanted to know. But anyway guys, I just edited this video so that you can hear what Gogo skhotheni had to say about everything that she said and what will be the way forward after revealing murder cases that Gogo maweni did. Please guys do comment below, and please guys do subscribe if you haven't done so. Thank you.
I forgave her because she realized a mistake, and I forgave her for me, not for you. What's up, my love?
So what about those people who never Gogo maweni uba really this and then when you are willing to help them?
Let's be specific. Which people?
The one that you were talking when no the case it's and all those.
What about them? Keep put a baby.
But so ya ka ke ore wena le bona then le ofella kae like ka ore wena o ba thushe, cause I think le bona ne ba chaba like or ne ba le voice ya bona ine sa gone o fitla ko. So bona I think ne ba beile so much hope mo wena ore which means lo tsa bona, which means no dio tsamaya wena o gone ba thushe ore ba gone go tsa justice ka those loved ones ba bona le ngore like ba re ba bolaile.
Right?
Yes. Yes.
I'm also not in charge, right,
Yes.
of our justice system. I did my part, right?
Yes.
I did my part.
Yes.
Okay?
Okay.
So, me making peace, I was not making peace for the cases to go. I was making peace for my son and for myself, for my sanity, for my mental health.
Okay.
Understand? Imagine waking up always having to think, oh, how am I going to answer this person based on my son? How am I going to fight? I didn't need to fight now. So if that particular person you are fighting with apologize, I take that apology.
No,
So
the question
that does
is
not take away the case. The cases, they still continue. The justice will be served. It doesn't stop anything.
fine. So now are you still willing to wanna help those people?
Yes, they know. The thing is, who alone? Now those people don't say anything because they talk to me, and we are still in contact.
O tshwarelana le Gogo maweni ine ile o reng ile ngore wena o nyako go tsa peace ya o reng ngwana hao o irala bjang, like wena o tshwarelana le Gogo maweni e involve peace e leng gore wena o itse wa re o inyaka o re o kgone o lebala ka ngwana hao, cause o re apparently people that are talking a lot about your child.
Who's talking a lot about my child?
Us.
What are you saying about my child, babe?
No, Gogo maweni, she was the one who brought the issue ya ngwana hao, right? and then when apparently that issue e leng gore e involve ngwana hao or involve le monde about personal life ya hao ke yone e leng gore e trigger gore o feel like you can even help people be leng gore ba itse di-secret tsa maweni.
Me making peace, I'm not making it for you. I'm making it for myself. So who should it make sense to? Should it make sense to you or should it make sense to me? Now I'm at peace for forgiving her. I'm at peace for forgiving her.
But you are
Do you
not saying,
understand?
I'm not saying fight with her. Nanto ke bolela o no. Akere wena o lwe le yena.
No, Mamela, I'm answering your questions because you
Okay.
just said my story doesn't make sense. What doesn't make sense? I forgave her because she realized a mistake, and I forgave her for me, not for you.
O sa tlo fetsa o bolela no wa segalo re at least no o rile peace then le ngwana ha o tlo gone khutsa se ntse fetsa le 6 months what se ntse bola le mo abeng teng then at least o rile peace and then le ngwana ha o tlo ba mo hara peace. So that's why go butse re wena o tshwarelana le maweni ya ha it has something to do with ngwana ha o re gotse peace na.
Peace that I made, it's for me. And I owe it to myself, and I gave it to myself. You are not going to give it to me. You are going to shunt behind the camera and say, Team skhotheni, but you are not going to comfort me at night when I cry for my son. It has nothing to do with you, baby girl. It has something to do with me. And I respect myself enough to give her peace because she asked for it. So you going on forward, it doesn't make sense. It's for you. It's not for me. It doesn't make sense because you are behind the camera. It makes sense to me because now I can sleep without my son trending while he doesn't have social media. With the case issue, if the justice finds her guilty and they continue, then let justice be served. If with me as well, the rape charges that were said about me, that the justice finds me guilty, let that continue. Us forgiving each other has nothing to do with the cases. It will not erase the justice system. The government won't be, the system won't be fooled by our forgiveness. So don't get things twisted, baby girl.